Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm so happy that you're here on a Saturday. Are you ready for the holidays? I am. This is about the time where people, my friends and family, they match my energy and just taking it easy, living slowly. They're taking days off and all of that. And I want to share with you how to make this holiday not so stressful. I know it's hard because, side note, I am not a cook, and I know that many of y'all are out there trying to gather up all the trimmings and rush out there to the grocery store getting everything. But I want to share some things about maybe how you can change it up this season, this holiday season. But before we get into it, I want to introduce myself. My name is Daria. I host a monthly podcast called Declutter Empress Radio, and it's where I share easy to apply, actionable tips to declutter your space and to create what I like to call an oasis space wherever you roam. And I am all about function. So I love making anyone's life easier. If I can do that and share those tips so you can just relax, especially for the holiday, we're gonna do it. But yeah, so last week it was, oh yeah, and let me not forget too, if you like the content that you see on this channel, please feel free to subscribe, like, and comment because I want to hear how you declutter, and if you have any tips to share with the community, we would love to hear it. But yeah, last week was Clean Out Your Refrigerator Day. I didn't even know that was a thing. I did not know. But it reminded me of an episode that I had done with Catherine McCord, who is the author of a Weelicious cookbook. And in this episode, and I'll link it in the notes, she shared how she uses, it's an acronym that she calls POPE. And I'm looking at my notes here so I won't forget and get it accurate. Purge, organize, prep, and execute. So she talks about this on how to clean out your refrigerator and how to organize your kitchen so you just won't be looking out for stuff. And side note, I am not a cook, so I am not stressed about all of that, but I am definitely into organization. So if you want to get started on organizing that fridge and cleaning out whatever you don't need, check out that episode and I'll link it. Now, what I will say is during this holiday season, you may want to think about some alternatives. If not for this year, it may be too late for some, but maybe even next year. One of the things that you can do besides getting stressed out over cooking and all of that is to have a potluck. Now, I am not a big fan of eating everybody's cooking and eating at everybody's house or eating everything that comes out of people's houses, but if they're your close family and friends and you specify, hey, y'all just want to come over and have a potluck at my house and bring store-bought items, that could be a thing. That way you can avoid having to buy ingredients and get stressed out. That's an idea that you can do, a potluck. The second thing is sometimes there are individual meals. If you're a single person and you don't cook, you can actually purchase prepared meals on different sites. You can also have it catered in. Why not? I already said that. But eating out is definitely an option. And I am one that breaks tradition because I will think, why am I still doing this? Just because I've been doing this doesn't mean I have to do the same thing over and over again. I can try something new. So eating out is definitely an option. Pretty much it. So if you want to break tradition, there's nothing wrong with that. As a matter of fact, I insist on it to make your life easier so that you can enjoy the holidays, because that one day or 2 days or a week, it goes by so fast. So you want to make sure that you get the most joy and happiness as you possibly can and relaxation while watching, your favorite Hallmark movie or something, or having game day for the holiday. So if you enjoyed this video and it helped you, please make a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss the next video, and make sure to hit the notification bell too so you'll know when I post. All right, happy holidays to you, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.